First ducky descent. Oh boy, good to get out of that. Thank you. Thank you so much, Ronner. Thanks, Anvish. Really. Ravinda, how are you? Looks like you got a little sun today. Oh. Khan, don't run away. Thank you so much. Good lines. Good lines.
Well done, Khan. Another one done there. Well done, you.
Sapil, thank you so much. Gosh, thank you. Thank you so much.
You ran the river very well.
Thank you.
Great.
Well done, Khan. Another good journey.
Claire.
Well done you on that river.
Yeah, thanks so much. Wow. Kim, thank you so much. Really, another great trip. Okay, see you later. It's all upstream from here.
Take the lens cap off on that much. Leave her on the मैंने क्या बोला था मुझको पता था गाड़ी जो डालेगा हाथियों ने पकड़ दिया उन्हें गालियां भी बहुत दी होगी आगे साले कभी नहीं आज ही मर गए साले मरा नहीं होगा कोई
Dave, thanks so much. It was a good time, wasn't it?
I was impressed with you. That was something else.
Yeah, we had a pretty good time.
Waves and you're still upright.
Somehow.
Yeah.
Probably most of it was good luck.
I see. Yeah, another one done. Yeah.
Ah, Johnny. Thanks for the great biryani today. And everything else too. So, let's get nude.
Don't you have to announce?
I was just planting the seed.
Stop planting.